So welcome guys, welcome to my channel once again, Medico Manna. In today's topic, I'm going to talk about Pappage circuit. Okay, so Pappage circuit, that means Pappage circuit. This is mainly related to our limbic system. Actually, our limbic system is related to two circuit. One is Pappage circuit and another one is amygdala or amygdaloid circuit. Pappage circuit, this is mainly related with our emotion and memory, and amygdaloid circuit, this is mainly related with also emotion. Actually, Pappage circuit is mainly for memory and amygdaloid circuit is mainly for correlating the memory with emotions. Okay, let's discuss how and what is this actually Pappage circuit. Look, this is a section of a brain. First of all, this is a section of a brain. Okay, this is the medial portion. This is the medial portion of cerebrum or large brain. Okay, so what is this? Look, this is the fornix. Sorry, this is not fornix. This is actually our corpus callosum, the white matter fibers corpus callosum. This corpus callosum actually connects the two cerebral hemisphere with each other. So two cerebral hemisphere connected to each other through corpus callosum, and above this corpus callosum, this green colored area, this is called cingulate gyrus. Okay, so this yellow colored area is corpus callosum. Okay, fine. Above the corpus callosum, this is cingulate gyrus. Okay, fine. And what is this? This blue colored structure. Yes, this blue colored structure, this is nothing but our hippocampus or parahippocampal gyrus, where the hippocampus is located actually. And then what is this one? Okay, this is nothing but the fornix which is arising from the hippocampus. Yes, fornix which is arising from the hippocampus and running below the corpus callosum, and then turn anterior and backward to reach mammillary body. Okay, that means mammillary body of hypothalamus. Yes, this is the mammillary body of hypothalamus. And then what is this? This is the anterior thalamic nuclei. Okay, so look here once again. This is the corpus callosum, the white matter or white fibrous connection between two cerebral hemisphere, the corpus callosum. Yes, and this is the hippocampus. Yes, this is the hippocampus. And what is this green colored structures? This is called what? Cingulate gyrus. Yes, this is cingulate gyrus. And this is the fornix. What is fornix? Fornix, this is nothing but the white fiber arising from the hippocampus. This is called fornix. Fornix run below the corpus callosum. Yes, and then turn anterior. Yes, and then bend posteriorly. Yes, and then reach to mammillary body. Yes, mammillary body, this is the nucleus of hypothalamus. Yes, exactly. And then what is this? This is the anterior nucleus of thalamus. Do you know what? Do you know this? Our thalamus contains, this is a schematic representation of thalamus, and our thalamus, it contains mainly anterior nucleus or some group of nucleus which are those who are located anteriorly, they are called anterior group of nucleus. Yes, and medial group of nucleus. Yes, and then lateral group of nucleus. Yes, and then lateral group of nucleus is also divided into ventrolateral nucleus. Yes, and also dorsolateral nucleus. Yes, so this anterior group of nucleus thalamus is related to mammillary body and related to limbic system and related to Pappage circuit. What is this? This is nothing but internal lamina, y-shaped internal lamina. Okay, fine. So this anterior nucleus or anterior nucleus group or anterior group of nucleus, this actually located with mammillary body. Okay, fine. Then what is Pepage circuit? Pepage circuit, this is nothing but, look here. So let's start from hippocampus. This is hippocampus, and from hippocampus to mammillary body, some fibers are running from hippocampus to mammillary body. They are called fornix. This is white matter fibers. They are coming from hippocampus or emerging from hippocampus and enter into mammillary body. So these white fibers are called fornix. And then from mammillary body to anterior nucleus of thalamus. Okay, via mammillothalamic tract. Okay, fine. And then from anterior nucleus of thalamus to cingulate gyrus. Okay, and then from cingulate gyrus to parahippocampal gyrus, and then from parahippocampal gyrus to entorhinal cortex, and then entorhinal cortex to hippocampus. This is actually the Pepage circuit, but I can't understand. Okay, don't worry. Look here, look at this diagram. So this is your parahippocampal gyrus and hippocampus. Yes, this is the parahippocampal gyrus or hippocampus. Okay, fine. And what is this? Fornix. This one, this is the fornix. Yes, and this white color structured, this is corpus callosum. Yes, this is corpus callosum, and above the corpus callosum, this is called cingulate gyrus. Okay, cingulate gyrus or cingulate cortex and cingulate gyrus. Okay, fine. Then what is cingulum? Do you know what is cingulum? Cingulum is nothing but the white fibers which are located below the cingulate gyrus. Okay, that means if this cingulate gyrus is removed, then below the cingulate gyrus we can see that cingulum, the white fibrous connection. This is called cingulum. So look at this diagram. Yes, what is this? So once again, this is corpus callosum, and above the corpus callosum, the cingulate gyrus which is removed, and this red colored fiber. Actually, this is the white fibrous structure which is represented here with red color, and this is called our what? Cingulum, which is connected with the hippocampus. Yes, or parahippocampal gyrus. Yes. So look here, the Pepage circuit. Yes, so let's start from the parahippocampal gyrus and hippocampus. So this is parahippocampal gyrus or hippocampus, and the efferent fibers are originating from parahippocampal gyrus or hippocampus. This is called fornix. Yes, and these fibers are rich where? The mammillary body. The mammillary body, which is the nucleus of hypothalamus. Yes, which is the nucleus of hypothalamus. And then from mammillary body to where? The anterior thalamic nucleus. This one, the anterior thalamic nucleus. Yes, via mammillothalamic tract. Okay, fine. So from hippocampus, the information goes to mammillary body via fornix. Yes, and then from mammillary body to anterior thalamic nucleus via mammillothalamic tract. Yes, so this is the one loop of this Pepage circuit. Now then from anterior thalamic nucleus, this information goes to the cingulate gyrus, which is located above the corpus callosum. Yes, this cingulate gyrus via thalamo-cingulate tract. These fibers are arising from thalamus, the anterior nucleus of thalamus, and goes up to cingulate gyrus. That's why they are called thalamo-cingulate tract. And then from this cingulate gyrus, the white fibers called cingulum are coming to where? The same parahippocampal gyrus or hippocampus. So this whole circuit, the green colored pathway, this is called our Pepage circuit, which is mainly related to our memory and emotion. Yes, so let's talk about the peptide circuit once again. Look here, this is another diagram that's very simple. This is hippocampus. Yes, this is hippocampus, and this is entorhinal cortex. Okay, entorhinal cortex. So from hippocampus, the white fibers originating, they are called fornix. Yes, this is the fornix. And then fornix, from hippocampus, information goes to mammillary body or mammillary nucleus of hypothalamus via this fornix. Yes, and then from mammillary nucleus to anterior thalamic nucleus via mammillothalamic fasciculus or mammillothalamic tract. Then from hippocampus to mammillary body, yes, via fornix, yes, and then from mammillary body to anterior thalamic nucleus, yes, via mammillothalamic tract, yes, and then from anterior nucleus of thalamus to cingulate gyrus, yes, via thalamus cingulate tract. Okay, fine. And then from the cingulate gyrus, the white fibers originates. They are called the cingulum, and they goes to again the entorhinal cortex. Yes, and then from entorhinal cortex to hippocampus. Yes, and completes the loop, which is called peptide circuit, which is mainly related to memory and emotion. Yes, this is actually the peptide circuit. Okay, so I think now you can understand this schematic representation. So hippocampus, then mammillary body, and then anterior nucleus of thalamus, and then cingulate gyrus, parahippocampal gyrus, entorhinal cortex, then once again hippocampus. That's your peptide circuit. So hippocampus, this is mainly related to our short-term memory, mainly concerned with our short-term memory. Okay, and then this anterior nucleus of thalamus, this is mainly concerned with our recent memory. And what is the function of cingulate gyrus? Oh, cingulate gyrus, that means which is located above the corpus callosum. Yes, that's cingulate gyrus. Yes, this the corpus callosum above the cingulate gyrus. This is mainly related to blood pressure, heart rate regulation, and our various emotion. Okay, and then what is the function of entorhinal cortex? Entorhinal cortex and our parahippocampal gyrus, they are mainly related to our spatial memory. That means the map reading, atlas reading, and spatial, that means three-dimensional location, spatial memory. Yes, this is the function of entorhinal cortex. And from entorhinal cortex via perforant pathway, this information goes to entorhinal cortex, it goes to hippocampus from entorhinal cortex via perforant pathway. Okay, fine. Then another circuit which is also called amygdala circuit. This is also another circuit of limbic system. Actually, limbic system contains two circuits, one peptide circuit and amygdaloid circuit. Amygdaloid circuit, this is nothing but the connection between our prefrontal cortex of cerebrum and prefrontal cortex with amygdala and hippocampus. Amygdala, which is mainly related to our emotions, and hippocampus, which is mainly related to our short-term memory. Okay, fine. Then memory, which is related to emotion, are easily recalled by our brain. Why? Due to amygdaloid circuit. And one detail I want to add here: during the recall, when we are recalling our old memory, which is closely related with emotion, from amygdala and hippocampus, a theta wave is generated. So theta wave is generated